Good morning, students. Once again, welcome to today's class. So, as we all know that we were studying chapter number 1, that is the best Christmas present in the world. We understood part 1 in our previous class. Previous class में हमने इसका part 1 किया था and it was a basic introductory part. क्या था उस पार्ट के अंदर? We came to the point जहां पे आके हमें ये पता चल गया था कि what is exactly the best present, who has sent this present and to whom. So what was the present? It was a letter which was written just one day after the Christmas. It was written by Mr. Jim Macpherson to his wife, whose name is Connie Macpherson. So it was addressed on the envelope of the letter, Mrs. Jim Macpherson. So now in the second part, what we are going to study, we are going to see the letter. Exactly the letter what is written by the Jim Macpherson. So now the letter begins because हमारे author ने क्या किया था, उन्होंने letter को open कर लिया था, unfold कर लिया था. तो as it is, we are having the letter written by Mr. Jim Macpherson. So what does the letter say? It goes this way. Dearest Connie. Now he addresses his wife and he says, My dearest Connie, I write to you in a much happier frame of mind because something wonderful has just happened. He says that, My dearest Connie, मैं आज तुम्हें ये letter लिख रहा हूँ in a very much happier frame. He would have been happy because it was just one day after the Christmas and something wonderful might have happened on the Christmas day. So he says in a much happier frame of mind because something wonderful, कुछ बहुत ही वंडरफुल चीज हमारे साथ अभी यहाँ पे हुई है, has just happened, that I must tell you about at once, and that at once I am going to tell you about it. We were all standing to in our trenches yesterday morning. हम लोग अपने trenches में खड़े थे. What are trenches? Trenches क्या हैं? That they were standing, they have been taking up their position in the trenches. Trenches are the digs. Trenches are the deep ditches made in the ground from in where the soldiers stand just to hide themselves from the enemies. वो आपने देखे होंगे सोल्जर्स जो होते हैं जब वो अपनी पोजीशंस पे पोस्टेड होते हैं तो वो एक डिचेस होती है ग्राउंड के अंदर, जिसे हम बहुत ही सिंपल लैंग्वेज में, हमारी डे टू डे लैंग्वेज के अंदर हम उसे क्या बोलते हैं? खोद देना. जमीन को खोद के उसके अंदर खाई बना लेना. तो वो जो डिचेस होते हैं, दे आर नोन एज ट्रेंचेस एंड दीज आर मेड जस्ट बिकॉज फॉर द सेफ्टी ऑफ द सोल्जर्स to hide themselves from the attack of the enemies. So they would have been standing, taking the position in the trenches yesterday morning, the morning of the previous day, Christmas morning. That was the Christmas morning. It was crisp and quiet all about. It was very crisp and very quiet. Shanti thi har jagah pe, as a beautiful morning as I have ever seen. And it was a beautiful morning as he would have ever seen, as cold and frosty. It was very cold and very frosty. That is very chilly. As the Christmas morning should be. बिल्कुल जैसे Christmas morning होता है. You must have seen, हम लोग जब देखते हैं Christmas celebrations देखते हैं और we see a Christmas scene on a television or in some video anywhere, we see that it is a very beautiful morning. We see a Christmas tree, we see a Santa coming, and as soon as the Santa arrives on the platform, a snow started falling down. And this snow itself represents that Christmas mornings are to be cold and very frosty, that is very chilly. I should like to be I should like to be able to tell you that we began it, and I should like to be able to tell you that really we began it. And what they began? But the truth, सच क्या था? That I am ashamed to say. He is feeling ashamed. He is feeling very little bit, we can say, hesitation, or he's feeling bad to say, is that Fritz began it. That is that Fritz began it. Fritz are the name for given to the German soldiers. That are the German soldiers to begin it. First, someone saw a white flag waving from the trenches opposite. Now, similarly, if the their army was standing in the trenches. Similar was the thing from the army across the border from the other side. So firstly he saw that the Frids were waving the white flag from the trenches just opposite to them. When they were calling out to us from across no man's land, Happy Christmas, Tommy, Happy Christmas. And then, after the flag was waved, a voice also came calling out to them, calling across the no man's land. This land is known as no man's land because the armies are hidden in the trenches and they never talk to each other. Not a single person can be seen roaming there, so it is known as the no man's land. And what was the voice calling out from the other side? Happy Christmas, Tommy. Means the Frieds, the German soldiers were wishing them Merry Christmas. They were saying Happy Christmas, Tommy. Happy Christmas. When we had got over the surprise, but once when your enemy gives you a happy call, you are really taken over by the surprise. So similar thing happens to them. But when once this feeling got over, some of us shouted back. When they just came out of the surprise, they were stuck between, and when they came out from this feeling they also shouted back, same to you, Fritz. And what they shouted, they said, same to you, Fritz. Now we can see the German army addresses them by the name of Tommy, and this army addresses the German army by the name of Fritz. Same to you. Similar addressing was called from both the sides. I thought that would be that. I thought that would be that. कि ऐसा ही होना चाहिए था जो हुआ है. We all did, and similarly, one person did, and the second did, and we all did the same thing. These callings started coming from each side. But then suddenly, one of them was up there in his great coat and waving a white flag. But suddenly, something again very surprising and amazing thing happens. And what happened? That one of the soldier came out of the trench. He was wearing his great coat and he started waving the white flag. And he says, "Don't shoot, lads, as soon as the armies look or finds out a soldier of the enemy area, he did one thing at the first most." And what is the one thing? He starts shoot. And he shoot, and because soldier ka basically work hi yahi hai, just shoot and just finish up the enemies. So the person with the white flag, he immediately shouted, "Don't shoot, lads, please shoot mat karna." Someone shouted, he says, because as soon as we visualize a enemy soldier, we start shooting. And no one did, and ऐसा किसी ने भी नहीं किया. No one did shoot a single thing. Then there was another Fritz up. फिर another German soldier came up on the parapet that is on the floor out of the trench, and another, and then one another. Keep your heads down, I told the men, but I commanded my men that one after the other, all the German soldiers are coming up out of the trenches, but still you just keep your heads down. आप लोग अपना head नीचे ही रखे. I told the men it's a trick. I told the men that it might be some trick of the German soldier, but it wasn't. But actually it wasn't. So he was sharing this experience with his wife. One of the German was waving a bottle above the head. It is a Christmas day, Tommy. We have scan-ups, we have sausage, we meet you, yes. Now the German soldier says, one of the German soldiers was waving a bottle above the head, and he says, it is a Christmas day, Tommy. Tommy, it's a Christmas day, it's a big day. Now we should leave this feeling of an enemy army for some time and let us celebrate this big day, this Christmas day, this happy day together. We have snack ups and we have sausages. He says that we have something eatables with us. हमारे पास कुछ खाने की चीजें हैं. We have some drinks with us. We have some sausage with us. Scanaps is a drink basically जो ये happy moments पे जो drink share होती है. It is basically made of some grains. तो वो उनके पास में drink थी. They were having some sausage and they invite them that let us meet and let us celebrate this Christmas day. By this time, there were dozens of them walking towards us across no man's land and not a rifle between them. And by this time, dozens of German soldiers, that is, dozens of Frids, were walking towards the Jim McPherson's army towards them. From where? From the no man's land, and there was no rifle between them, means they were without arms. And seeing them without arms, the army realized that yes, this is not a trick. This is a real happy moment sharing hand that first has been given from the German army. Little Private Morris was the first up. Come on, boys. What are we waiting for? Now, little Private Morris was the first one to come up, and he says, "Come on, boys. What are we waiting for? हम किस चीज का वेट कर रहे हैं?" And then there was no stopping them. और उसके बाद तो रुकने का नाम ही नहीं था. One after the other, everyone just jumped out of their trenches and they started moving towards the German army. And then I was the officer. He was the officer. He also came up. I should have stopped them there and then, I suppose. He should have stopped them. He should have stopped them there and then. I suppose, he says, I suppose. But the truth is that it never even occurred to me I should. But the truth is that I was also so happy and hale and hearty by heart. From this gesture, I was so, we can say, I was so taken towards them that I also even not able to stop myself, and even it never occurred to me that I should stop my people from moving towards them. I myself started moving towards them. All along their line and ours, I could see men walking slowly towards one another. All along our line and their line, I could see people walking towards one another. Gray coats, khaki coats. Gray coats symbolizes the German army, and the khaki coats symbolizes our Indian army in the middle, meeting in the middle, and they are going to meet in the middle. And I was one of them, and I was also one of them. I was also walking along them. I was part of this, and I was the part of this all happy moment. In the middle of the war, we were making peace, and so surprisingly, I'm really happy to share this feeling, this emotion with you, that in the middle of the war, Christmas was such a big, such a peaceful day that we, the two enemy armies, were making peace with each other. You cannot imagine, dearest Connie, my feelings as I looked into the eyes of the Fritz officer who approached me, hand outstretched. Hans Wolf, he said, gripping my hand warmly and holding it. You just cannot imagine, dearest Connie, तुम मेरी feelings का अंदाजा भी नहीं लगा सकती हो कि मैं कैसा feel कर रहा था. What were my feelings as जब मैंने देखा कहाँ पे, in the eyes of the Fritz officer, that is the officer of the German army, who approached towards me, जो मेरे पास आए, he stretched out his friendly hand and he addressed himself, that Hans Wolf, he said, he just addresses himself and gripping his hand warmly and holding it. Was really not a enemy kind of gesture anymore. It was full of warm feeling. He was holding his hand. He says, I am from Dusseldorf. मैं Dusseldorf से हूँ. I play the cello in the orchestra and I play the cello. Cello is an musical instrument like a large violin, and basically ये orchestra में ये भी एक instrument है जो play किया जाता है. And hence Wolf is the one who says that I play the cello in the orchestra, and he now addresses him holding his hand warmly. He says, Happy Christmas. Wish you a very, very happy Christmas. Captain Jim McPherson, I replied. And what he replied, Captain Jim McPherson, I replied. And what he replied, because this is a similar gesture passed to each other. Whenever somebody addresses us, हम भी तो उन्हें reply करते हैं. So the German officer addressed him. उन्होंने उनका hand grip करके उन्हें जब उनके साथ में, we can say, उन्हें salutate किया, तो he also replied in return. What he says, that I am Captain Jim McPherson and a happy Christmas to you. This is a basic reply we also give when somebody wishes us happy Christmas. What does we say in reply? Happy Christmas to you too. And similar reply was given by Jim McPherson. He says, and a happy Christmas to you too. I am a school teacher from Dorset in the west of England. He says that I am a school teacher. He also just told about his profession to Hans Wolf. He says, I am a school teacher from Dorset. From where he belongs? To Dorset in the west of England. I am from the west of England. I am from west of England. From where he is from the place named Dorset in the west of England. तो स्टूडेंट कैसा लगा ये चैप्टर अभी तक? आई होप यू आर फाइंडिंग इट इंटरेस्टिंग एंड जैसे जैसे हम इसे पढ़ते जाएंगे इट विल गेट मोर एंड मोर इंटरेस्टिंग. इट इज अ रियल वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी एंड टू रीड समवन्स लेटर इज रियली वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, वी आल्सो नो. सो यहाँ पे हम किसका लेटर पढ़ रहे हैं? वी आर रीडिंग द लेटर written by Mr. Jim McPherson to his wife Connie McPherson. So we'll stop the class here today and we will continue with the explanation of the chapter in the next class. Till then, you just what you have to do, you have to take care of yourself. Have a good day, stay home, stay safe and keep studying.